Bollywood actor Salman Khan has received another threat. According to police, the message which was sent to the Mumbai Traffic Police helpline demands ₹5 crore from him. The sender claimed to be the brother of gangster Lawrence Bishnoi and stated if Salman Khan wants to stay alive, he should go to our temple and apologize or pay 5 crore. He does not. If he does not, we will kill him. Our gang is still active. Police are investigating the message origin and have increased security for Khan. They are also checking if the threat is connected to Lawrence Bishnoi, who is currently in jail on various charges, including attempted murder and extortion.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.